Backstitch is one of the best stitches for clean outlines. It's easy to learn and gives a smooth, strong finish. For best results, use tightly woven fabric, an embroidery needle, size 7 or 8, and 2 to 4 strands of floss or pearl cotton number 8 for a raised look. To start, use an away waist knot. This keeps the back neat, just cut and secure it later. The stabbing method works in 2 steps, bringing the needle up and then inserting it back down. This is better for curves and detailed work. Maintain even tension for the best results. A smooth backstitch looks clean and professional. The sewing method is a continuous motion, bringing the needle in and out of the fabric in one go. It's faster and great for straight lines. Once you're done stitching, turn your embroidery hoop to the back. To finish, simply weave the thread under a few stitches. This secures the thread neatly, no knots needed. This method keeps the back of your embroidery clean and flat, especially helpful for framed pieces or wearable projects. A smooth backstitch looks clean and professional. Backstitch is strong, easy and perfect for outlines, lettering and geometric designs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more embroidery tips.